So what are these mysterious value sliders next to your items in Swaptagon? Simply put, they let you rank your items from 1 to 10 based on how important they are to you. And by doing this, you control exactly what trades for what. No one else can see these values, not even your event moderator. They affect only you. Let's start by looking at an item on your wishlist page. You'll see the item you want on the left, and in the box on its right, you'll see a list of your own items that you're willing to trade for it. The sole purpose of the value slider is to control what appears in this box. That way, you can set different trading parameters for each item in your list. If you don't want an item very much, you'd set its value to 1, meaning that you're only willing to trade your lowest value items for it. If an item is extremely important to you, you'd set it to 10, meaning you're willing to trade even your highest value items for it. By the way, changes to values are automatically saved every time you make them. All trades in Swaptagon are 1-to-1, so only one of these items will ever trade for this wishlist item. Now, if you leave all your values at the default of 1, this tells Swaptagon that you're willing to trade any of your items for any of the items on your wishlist. And maybe you're fine with that. If you aren't, though, then you need to adjust your values. So how does this actually work? Notice that the items in the box are all preceded by a number. This number is simply the value you previously assigned to each of your items in the My Items page. Here's the rule. Swaptagon will only ever trade your items for things on your wish list that are of equal or greater value. For example, if you set your item to value 6, it will only trade for items on your wish list that you also value at 6 or higher. Value sliders appear next to every item on both the My Items page and the wishlist page. For values to work, you need to assign values to both your items and the items on your wishlist. If it seems like moving the slider has no effect, then you probably haven't set values on the other side yet. In that case, all the numbers next to the items in the box would appear the same. You can easily fix that by going to the My Items page and setting values for all your items there. If you look at the My Items page, you'll see that it's very similar to the wishlist page, but in reverse. Now your items are on the left, and the items you want are what's listed in the box on the right. In the same way, you can control exactly what you'll trade your items for based on how much you value them. Notice how, if you enter a cash offer, the offer amount always appears at the top of the box regardless of what value you set. Value has no effect whatsoever on cash offer or sell price. This means, if you're only dealing with cash, you can safely ignore the value sliders completely. What are some strategies for setting values? Well, just like cash offers, it's always a balance between how badly you want an item and how much you want to give for it. Whether you're offering items or cash, better offers make it more likely you'll get the item you want. And remember, the more items you offer, the better your chances of making a trade, because you're giving the system more possible matches to work with. Do keep in mind, though, you're usually more likely to receive one of the lower value items in your wish list, so make sure you're happy with every possibility you set up. That's why it's essential that you carefully review your final preferences on the summary page. And of course, don't forget to lock them in before the event results are processed. So there you go. By using Swaptagon's value sliders, you're in full control of every possible trading combination. Check out our other Swaptagon videos for more tips, and take a look at the Swaptagon FAQ if you'd like to learn more.